The Dog Park is a novel taking place in Finland and in Ukraine. It's a story of an Ukrainian girl who had to flee to Finland to save her life. Back at home, she had been caught up in a web of lies and dirty money. One of the main locations of the story is a city called Dnipro. It's a city of power. Many politicians and businessmen and oligarchs are from this city. It's a very good place to tell a story about corruption. When I'm doing my background research, I'm trying to see the world through my characters' eyes, to smell the same scents, to eat the same food as my characters, to walk the same streets, to do the same everyday chores she might do as well. My latest novel, Dog Park, is a love story, a story about migration. It's a story about Ukraine and the consequences of the collapse of the Soviet Union and Stalin's transplantations. My novel is also a story of consequences of the World War II, which have shaped the way we see Europe today. It's a story about how corruption affects the everyday life of the ordinary people, the consequences of the corrupt system which led way to the revolution in 2014 and the ongoing war in Ukraine.